up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, my name's Christina and I post videos on motherhood and lifestyle. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I eat in a day. I am a breastfeeding mom and I try my best to eat as healthy as I can. So I'll be showing you guys what I have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So if you guys are interested in knowing what I eat in a day to stay healthy, continue to watch to the end. So I'm going to put some peanut butter on my toast with banana and cinnamon. So this is it, guys. This is my go-to breakfast when I'm in a pinch. I'm gonna also eat some fresh strawberries, have some coffee, and I always make sure to have some water as well with my breakfast to start off the day. So let me know in the comments below what you guys usually eat for breakfast and what's your go-to. I just love the taste of peanut butter and banana and cinnamon, and I'm excited to start the day off with this because it does give me a lot of energy along with my coffee. Hey guys, so it's time for my snack. So I'm literally just gonna have a piece of fruit. I'm gonna have a nice fresh peach, eat that for a snack to hold me over till lunchtime. And that's pretty much what I like to have as a snack, a piece of fruit, or I'll do like some crackers and some cheese. Just keep it light until lunchtime. Okay, so it's time for lunch and I'm gonna be making some BLT type sandwiches. I'm gonna be using turkey bacon and some lettuce and my homegrown tomatoes that I got from my backyard, as well as I might add a little bit of goat cheese. I'll see how it ends up, but I'm ready for lunch, and this is usually something that I just try to put together. Lunch is probably like my hardest meal of the day because I have to kind of like force myself to eat as well, because then I'll just forget to eat lunch. I'm gonna be making everything and I'll show you guys how I do it. So I'm going to start by cutting up my tomatoes that I got from my backyard, slicing those up, and I'm waiting for my bread to warm up because I usually put my bread in the refrigerator so it lasts longer. And then after that, I slice that up. I'm going to get the turkey bacon that is still cooking and put my sandwich together. And I make sure my bacon is well done because with turkey bacon, that's the way it tastes the best, and it came out so good. I'm very proud right now. Okay, so pretty much instead of mayo, to be healthier, I'm going to just add some hummus. Don't mind Angelina in the background. I'm going to add some everything hummus to each side of the brioche. You could add light mayo if you want, but I was just really in the mood for some hummus. So I do that. And then I take my spring mix. Let me know what kind of lettuce you guys like the best. I'm not a huge fan of spring mix, but my mother-in-law gave it to me. I just don't feel like it lasts that long. I usually like spinach and arugula because it lasts the best, but let me know what you guys like the best. So I add some lettuce and greens. I know people usually use like sliced tomatoes, but like I said, these are from my garden. So I'll just add these on top. I cut a lot, the rest is for my husband. And I'll just put these on top like this. Grape tomatoes are so good. They're extra sweet. Because sometimes I just don't really like tomatoes. I don't know. And then I'm going to add the bacon. So I'm just going to cut them in half and put them on the other side. Let me move the camera so you guys can see. And then because I just want to add a little extra flavor to it, I'm just gonna add like 1 piece of goat cheese. You could add any piece of cheese if you want, but I'm just gonna sprinkle some goat cheese on there like that. Let's break this up. like that. And then we're gonna close it. And that's it, guys. This is what I'm going to eat for lunch. I'm gonna do my version of a BLT, and then I have these white bean tortilla chips with some home style guacamole. It is going to taste delish and I can't wait to eat it, and it's really healthy as well. So I hope you guys get some inspo for lunch from me. I'm specifically gonna have this caramel cappuccino. It's a new brand I found at Aldi's, and I'm hoping it tastes good because Mama needs a pick-me-up. It's been a long day. Dinner, I'm going to be making some salmon with some sweet potato and corn, baked sweet potato specifically. This salmon already came marinated. It's like a Mediterranean flavor, and the bottom one is teriyaki and honey for my husband. So I'll be making both salmons along with some corn and sweet potato. I forgot to mention, guys, that I drink water all day long in this silicone glass water bottle by Ello, and I really like this water bottle because it's dishwasher friendly and it's safe, and it has a straw, or you can drink it from the spout. But I like specifically that it is glass and I can throw it into the dishwasher, and I try to drink this like 8 to 10 times a day. I do my best. Sometimes, you know, I only do it like 3 or 4 times, but I'm always drinking water all day, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. So this is my baked potato that I'm making on the side, and I am just going to add a dash of honey, some ground cinnamon, and some chopped chives. And sometimes I even add some light sour cream just for a little bit of flavor. I just kept it baked. I was in a rush today, and you know, when you're a mom, especially a working mom, you just try to make something as fast as possible. So I just doused it with a little bit of honey, and then I throw a little bit of the cinnamon, a little more than that. And then I just top it with some chives. And that's how it looks. And now I'm gonna get the salmon. This is it, guys. This is the final product. My salmon with baked sweet potato and a corn on the cob on the side. It's healthy and it's delicious, and it's something that's really great to eat in a pinch. So that is what I eat in a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I hope you guys are able to make this delicious meal as well. I hope you guys are inspired by some of the meals that I made today, and that you're able to make it for yourself as well. Let me know in the comments if you like seeing videos like this from me, and if you did like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can find out when my next video comes out. I hope you guys are doing well and you're staying safe, and I'll see you in the next video.